Subscribe AspDotNet tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel AspDotNet tutorials. Welcome friends to Bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned class alert in Bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video friends we have learned a jumbotron class EFC. I am using a jumbotron class. Now I have also checked it is responsive. And friends, in this video we have using a alert class. I have creating another div. I have using this code. And friends, here class using contain and row and using a call span divided into a 6 and using class alert and alert success. So friends, I have using another, or we have using all the classes alert showing in this video. First we have using success class, and second is using a info, and third friend using a warning, and another using a danger, and also changing the text. It's using a info and it's using a warning. Friends, it's a danger, and another one it's a primary, also using a primary. Write the text primary, and another using a secondary, and another one using a dark, and one more friends, copy, create, it's using a light. Friends, you can see changing the text dark and changing to light. So friends, I have using already all classes, alert all classes using a success, info, warning, danger and primary. Friends, I have showing also, we have write the auto library. We have using a alert success. So friends, you can see also using the libraries, and save and refresh the page friends. So friends, you can see all classes are show, and also check it's responsive or not. So friends, you can see it's working, it's responsive for Bootstrap using. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video friends, please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos update, press the bell icon. For more information, like my Facebook page on Instagram and Twitter. And if you have any query friends, you can ask me, comment or email, and visit my website at friends www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you for watching videos.